Let's discuss about slice and splice into JavaScript. Okay, so in the array we can use this method slice and splice, but sometimes it's very confusing. So let's try to understand the basic difference between the slice and splice and how we can use in our application. So the one important difference is that the slice will not modify the original array, but splice will able to modify. It means we can, using the splice, we can delete the data, we can delete the element, or we can add the element as well. And whatever item will be get deleted, we can get it. Deleted item we can get it as well with the help of the splice method. So in this case, original array will get modified, but in case of slice, original array will not get modified. We can able to get a element, a particular element, or maybe you can say a subset of that particular array, we can get it using the splice. And also syntax wise also it's a little different. Okay, they will take a different parameter as well. So let's try to understand in detail. So here is the array. Just I am going to console log so that you can able to see the output as well. So there is a arr, this is the variable name, and I am going to use here the splice. Now please tell me that what will be the output if I will not provide any of this parameter here. This is also very important. You need to know what should be the output. Sometimes people are asking these questions and try to make it confused. Okay, so the output here will be, since we are not providing the start or end, in this case we will get all the array element. Okay, it means array dot splice will return a array that contain all the element of the original array. So if I will run this code, you can see, okay, I have written the splice. Actually it should be slice, so let's make it slice. So here you can notice that in case of slice, all the original array is returned, and also the original array is not get modified in this case. Of course not here, because we are not uh, providing any start or end. So if I will write in this way, then you can notice there is the same output, and here I am writing original so that we will know that this is the original array, something like that. Now what will happen if I will provide here start, just I will provide one parameter which is supposed at 2. In this case what will happen? So see, the basic syntax of the slice is start start index or end index. Okay, so 2 is the start index. It means from the 2 it will go to the last index, and all the data will they will provide, and the data will be start from the index 2. So in this case index 2 will be 0 1 2. It means 3. It will start from the 3, including 3, including second index. Okay, and in this particular array the second index is 3, so it will start from 3, and it will be take all of this data because we have not provided any index. So that's why it will provide 3 4 5 6 7. So let's run this code. You can notice 3 4 5 6 7, all the uh, from the first index to the last index they provided all the data. Okay, what will happen if I will provide the end index? End index will be here it will be, suppose I provided here the 4, then in that case what will happen, it will uh, start collecting the element from the second index. Second index in this case is 3, including second index, so it will start from the 3 3 4 5. Okay, 0 1 2 3 4 5. So 4 will be here the 5. So in this case they will take only 4. Why 5 will not be included? Because 5 element value is 5 comes under the index 4. Okay, so this will not be included. If I will use here the suppose 5, let's run first. So if I will run, then you can notice I am getting 3 and 4. If I will provide it here, suppose that 6, then in that case what will happen? This will take till the this one. It means 6 index will be the 7 in this case, but it will not be included. So it will be take till the 6. Okay. So if I will run this code, then you can notice 3 4 5 6. It means start index to the end index, where start index will be included, index will be not be included. Now what will happen if you provide a -1? Okay, so see, the -1 here represent the last array, a last element of the array. So in this case last element of the array is 7, so it means it is the end point. Okay, end index, so it will start from the 2, it will not 2 to 7, and between that it will return the array. So if I will run this code, then you can notice 3 4 5 6, 3 4 5 6. Why 3? Because it start from the 2 index, and 2 index is the element is on the second index is the 3, so it will be start from the 3, and the last index is -1, so it will not get included. As I said that last index will not get included if it will return. Now what will happen if I will write here the -1 to -2? So -2, it means from the last the index will be the 6, it's represent for the 6. Okay, the last element will be -1, and second last will be the -2. So in this case it will start from the 6. 6 will be included because start index will be included. Okay, so 6 will be, it will return the 6, and then the last index will not be included, which is the -1. -1 is basically it's represent for the 7, so only 6 it will return, it will return only 6. So if I will run this code, then you can notice the output is here the only 6. Now let's discuss about the splice. So splice is very very important, because with using the splice you can able to modify the array. Current array you can able to modify. You can able to add the any particular element, or you can delete it. Okay, and whatever data you will delete, you will get a return as well. So arr.splice, if I will write here the splice, this will return a array. Okay, this is going to return array. So if I will not provide any of this parameter, then in that case what will happen? If I will save, then you can notice the empty array is it is providing, because no any data is going to delete here in this case. Okay, only deleted data will provide arr.splice in the form of array. Now I am going to provide here the parameter. The first parameter will be the start index. Okay, so start index will be here, let's say 2. So it means it means it's representing for the 3, the element 3, because 3 is present at the second index. Now the second parameter it will take is how many item I want to delete. Okay, delete count, it will take delete count. So how many item I want to delete from the array? So suppose if I will write here the 2, then the after this index, from the start index, it will be delete the 2 data, and the deleted data it will return in the form of array, and original array will get modified. So if I will run here, then you can notice it select the 3 is get selected, and the 2 data need to be deleted. So 3 will delete and the 4 will get deleted. These 2 deleted data we can get it here. You can notice 3 and 4. So we are getting into this console log. Okay, then a console log original, you can notice the original arrays get modified. You can notice 1 2 5 6 7. 3 4 is not present because it's modified, it's got deleted. Now what will be a third argument? Not here third argument basically will be here item which I want to add it into the array. Okay, it's okay, I deleted two items, but on that particular place from after the start I can place any of this item. Suppose if I am going to write here suppose 2.5, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. Okay, so these are the basically argument I am passing, and this argument will get added inserted at the place where at the place of deleted item. Okay, so if I will run this code, then you can notice that it is a 3 4, this got deleted, and new data, new element got inserted into the original array. Now original array got modified. So after the 2, at the place of the 3 or 4, you can notice 2.1, 2.2 or 2.3 is get inserted. So basically you can insert n number of item, n number of element you can insert at the place of the deleted item. Okay, so in this case with using the splice you can insert a data or delete a data, and deleted data basically you can find uh, with the splice. This will return a deleted item and original array will get modified. Suppose if I will not provide any of this second argument, then in that case uh, all the all the data after this that particular index, suppose index is 2, in the second index there is the value which is the 3 item which is the 3. So after the 3 all the data is got deleted, all the item will got deleted, and deleted item we will get it in this particular console log, and original data again since it is deleted, so rest of this element we can get it into the this if I will print the original array. Now what will happen if you will provide it here the 0 as a deleted item, means a deleted count, how many item I want to delete. Suppose if I will provide 0, then in that case no any item will get going to delete, so it will return the empty array, and original data, original array will not be get modified. As you can see, no any original array is not getting modified, and we are getting the empty array. Again in case of the minus 1 is also doesn't make any sense, so in that case the output will be the same. The output of this splice method will be the empty array, because this only provide the output of the deleted item. Okay, splice will provide a deleted item, where after the deleted rest of this element we can get it into the original array. Of course original array is getting modified, so here in this case the output will be the same. I hope you understand, and if you have any questions then please comment. Thank you.